Today's video is brought to you by Oxedo LED lighting. You might think that you can see just fine at night. Well, I did too, until I did this little upgrade. As you can see from this footage, here is some before Oxedo LED lighting, and here is some after Oxedo LED lighting. The difference is amazing. With high brightness and easy installation, Oxedo LED lighting is definitely the route for you. They're easy to install, and they're available for all makes and models. Click on the link in the description below and enter promo code 612motorsports at checkout to get yourself 15% off. Now back to our video. Alright, so we made it to the body shop, and after looking at the car for a few seconds, I had to give her a little wipe down because it was dusty. And I figured, well, now that it looks so nice, I might as well pull it outside, take a few extra pictures of it, get a little more footage of the before product. And once Brad starts cracking into this thing, it's going to be a couple of weeks though before anything happens, unfortunately. Do it for today's video. Hope you all enjoyed. As always, stay positive, work hard, and make it happen.